In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll start by quickly getting to Wix using Google. Open your preferred web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. In the results, choose the official Wix website, the one that clearly references website creation and hosting. Click that to head to the Wix homepage. Going through Google is a simple way to make sure you're landing on the correct site, especially if you're on a new device or don't have the exact address saved. Once you're on Wix, sign in if you're prompted. After you log in, you'll arrive at your Wix dashboard, which is where all your sites and tools live. From here, locate the site you want to work on. If you manage more than one, double-check you've selected the correct project. Look for the option labeled Design Site and click it. This opens the Wix editor for the chosen site. If you don't immediately see Design Site, first click into the site card, then look for editing options. The goal here is simply to open the visual editor so you can make changes to your pages. With the editor open, let's use Wix AI to add a table. Find the Wix AI assistant icon or panel in the editor interface, typically along the side or bottom. Click it to bring up the prompt field. In the prompt box, type Add Table and submit. The AI will insert a table element onto your page. You should now see a table component you can move, resize, and style. Take a moment to position it where it makes the most sense for your layout. Use the drag handles to adjust size, and rely on the alignment guides to keep spacing clean and consistent. Most tables let you edit headers, add or remove columns and rows, and adjust text alignment. Customize fonts, colors, and borders so the table matches your site's design. If a sample dataset appears, simply select a cell and type over it with your own content. For consistency, apply your site's theme styles where available instead of manually overriding every detail. If the AI doesn't respond right away, check your internet connection, reopen the assistant, and try again. You can also add brief context to your prompt, like add a pricing table to the services page, to guide the placement and structure while keeping the command simple. That's it. Arrive at Wix via Google, open your site from the dashboard with Design Site, and let Wix AI add a table for you. This streamlined flow gets a clean, editable table onto your page in minutes.